A judge is hearing the evidence in a house fire last year that killed 5 immigrants from Senegal, including 2 young people. 3 others had to jump from a second story of a home in Green Valley Ranch, and 3 teens are charged. CBS 4's Rick Sellinger is following that hearing, and we learned a possible motive for why this house fire was set, Rick.
Mackenzie, a Denver police detective, told the court that defendant Kevin Bowie confessed to the crime and said that he had previously been robbed while buying a gun near City Park, and he thought those who robbed him lived at the address where the fire was set on Truckee in Green Valley Ranch. It was about 2:30 in the morning on August 5th of last year when this home quickly went up in flames. The arson dogs found accelerant had been used. A neighbor's security camera video showed 3 people in hoodies at the scene with a gas can and also showed a suspect car. The task then became to determine who they were. Police issued a search warrant to Google to determine if anyone had been searching online for that address. That led to 3 suspects, Kevin Bowie, Gavin Seymour, and a 3rd juvenile who is not being named today. The Denver police detective testified said that Bowie admitted to the arson when interviewed, but he hadn't researched if the people who he thought robbed him were actually living there. They were not. He identified others that he said were involved in the arson, and police were able to trace the masks used by the suspects to a party store in Lakewood where they were bought. The hearing will continue this afternoon, in which the judge will determine if there is enough evidence for the 3 to stand trial for the deaths of these 5 people from Africa who it appears were not ever meant to be killed. Mackenzie?
Thanks so much for the update, Rick.